एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो इंडिगो की हायरिंग की मैंने ऑलरेडी आप लोगों को बता दिया था। दो सिनेरियोज, जैसा कि हो सकता है 15 जुलाई का वो बाद में अपडेट करे, एंड एज माय भविष्यवाणी उन्होंने अपडेट कर दी है गाइस। सो मेरे वीडियो अपलोड करने के 3-4 दिनों बाद अपलोड कर दी थी, बट स्टिल बहुत लोगों को फिगर आउट नहीं हो पा रही है कि वैकेंसी कैसे चेक करनी, कहाँ है। सो आई एम गोइंग टू शो इट टू यू people ki where is the vacancies guys. So whatever the steps I have followed here, please do follow the same step to get the dates and go according to the date. So I have already updated these dates for which the interviews are already happened and going on, and you can check out the new vacancies like new locations from 16th of July, because they have updated these dates after like 5 to 6 days of uploading their first part. So just check it out. The 16th of July को दिल्ली में इंटरव्यू है गाइस, 17th of July को इंदौर में है, 18th of July को कोलकाता में इंटरव्यू है, 21st of July को देर इज़ अ इंटरव्यू इन शिलोंग, 22nd of July को जलंधर में है, 22nd of July को एक और इंटरव्यू इट इज़ इन जोधपुर, 23rd July को मुंबई में है, 24th of July को बगडोगरा में है, 25th July बेंगलुरु, 26th of July दिल्ली, 28th of July इम्फाल, 29th of July को पुणे में है, एंड 30 नॉट एंड गाइज 30th of July को दो इंटरव्यू है. फर्स्ट इट इज़ इन दिल्ली एंड सेकेंड इट इज़ इन मुंबई. And now we can talk about the last date, which is 31st of July. It is in Kolkata guys. So they are already conducting interviews back to back in your state. So and still if you are missing the chance, this is your loss. Do not miss the opportunity, cause we never know when Indigo will also stop the hiring guys. So just go according to the time, venue, and how many times, whatever the times you want to go for the interview, you are eligible to go for the interview until and unless they will ask you to not come for the interview, especially, or if they will mail you with a proof that now you are not eligible to come for the interview, then you can stop and still you can make the next ID and go for the interview after applying and all. Like if something will happen like this, otherwise no one can stop you for the interview. Indigo is not even charging a single amount for the interview, not before the interview, not after the interview, until and unless you will not get select and your medical rounds will not get clear. Indigo is not going to ask for any demand draft guys. So just go for the interview, prepare hard, and these are the things which I can only share with you people, which is important. And yes, one more thing, as I have already shared the scenarios, like it can be online interview for the half of the July, or it can be like the full month walk-in interview. So guys, as you can see here, still there is no link for the online interview. It means maybe there's a less chance of online interview. So go for the walk-in. Don't sit at home and don't keep waiting for the online link or online invitations, online special interviews, because Indigo is like hiring back to back, and God knows when they will stop, because there are a lot of rumors which I really don't want to spread it right now, because as we know कि hiring चल ही रही है. So let's see what is going to happen. So keep going for the interview, and if you are facing any kind of issues, do let me in the comment section. I am always here to help you out. And also go for the ground staff application process, cause it is online. So apply and wait for the link. They will give you the link. You can give the assessment, and जो भी इंटरव्यूज़ होएगी, आफ्टर दैट दे विल कॉल यू फॉर द फेस टू फेस इंटरव्यू. सो इफ़ यू आर सिटिंग एट होम and you want to apply more and more, so you can definitely go for ground staff interview also guys. So these are the things. Please do not forget to like my video, do share it with the people who is in need of this guys. So that guys, thanks for watching. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.